So today I just received my Ring Video Doorbell Elite, and I'm going to be unpacking and installing it today. I'm going to create a short video on how that is performed. Let's go ahead and start the unpacking and see what we have. There's the doorbell itself. Pretty cool. We have the flush mount kit that comes with it. And we have here installation tools. Some funky screwdriver. And the standard one that comes with the same as the other Ring doorbells. This, however, is new. We have the PoE injector. So this is the Elite version with PoE. It just runs over the Ethernet, no Wi-Fi required. And apparently different fonts or fonts that you can put on there. Ethernet connection kit. I guess the power adapters. Yep, there we go. And one more. So UK version, don't need that one. No idea what's with that one. US, don't need it. There's the European one. So it basically just clicks in place. Alright, some documentation. Oh, it's pretty good. Here's the cutout that you can use. Where to fit it, installing and setting up. And Ethernet cables. Don't really require these since I've already put in Ethernet cables. I'm going to be using the short one. So this is what we have in the pack itself. There's nothing more. So doorbell, screwdrivers. This one is a little bit peculiar. I'll have to figure out how to or what to do with it. PoE injector kit. Power adapter, and then the tracing template. Excellent.